So this is how you can add another Facebook account on your iPhone, and let's get started. So what you need to do is to open up your Facebook application and then tap on the menu icon below. So this will move you over to these sort of like settings of your profile. Now at the top of the list, I can see my name, but with the little arrow pointing down. So I can tap on that little arrow and you can see I can manage my accounts associated with me. So I have access to my Instagram account, but also I have a plus button for creating a Facebook profile. So I can tap on that plus button and essentially create a brand new account from scratch, which is going to be attached to my Facebook, right? So I can go and choose it to be personal, professional, and set it up the proper way. However, if you already have the account which you just want to add, you will need to click on the log out button below, and then you'll be able to proceed and sign in with another Facebook page. So this depends on whether you already have the page existing or not, because if you do, you just add it like I've shown you, and if you don't, you can create it like I've shown you before. So it should all work. Let me know below in the comments if it did so for you. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future.